Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Jetta's oil light. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll need to locate the 0.0/SCT button on your instrument cluster, which is usually near the speedometer or tachometer. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset sequence, ensuring proper communication with the onboard computer system. Now, with the ignition on and the engine off, press and hold the 0.0/SCT button. Keep it pressed for about 3 seconds. You should see a message appear on your dashboard display, such as Service Now or Oil Change. This indicates that the vehicle's system is ready to acknowledge the reset command. Once this message is visible, you can release the button, moving to the next crucial step in the process. To confirm the service reset, press and hold the 0.0/SCT button once more. This time, hold it for approximately 5 seconds. The display should then show a confirmation message, typically stating service reset or something similar, indicating the oil light has been successfully cleared. Releasing the button at this point finalizes the reset procedure, ensuring the system registers the maintenance. This step is vital for proper system acknowledgement. After completing the reset steps, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, restart the engine to perform a final check. Observe your dashboard to ensure the oil service light is no longer illuminated. If the light remains on, it's important to repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to each step and the timing involved. This ensures the system correctly registers the maintenance and clears the warning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.